we're celebrating a milestone. This beautiful Volvo, 8 years ago we saved from the crusher. Yes, this was a scrap. We fixed it, now it's running great, and it has been running for 8 years, and we are almost at 300,000 kilometers. Yes, 299,999 kilometers, almost 300,000. Yes, well, vehicle is running great. Made in Sweden, old school V70 XC 2001 year model, gasoline, turbocharged of course, beautiful winter beater, and yeah, vehicle is still on the road, nothing wrong. I would say this vehicle will double the mileage with a proper maintenance before major repairs. If you like Volvos, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know which Volvo do you like. Till the next time, I'm out.